In goal 4, we're solving equations using that distributive property. So this is something that we saw when we're simplifying expressions, and we're just going to deal with the right side of this equation as if it was an expression. So I'm not going to touch the -9, I'm not going to touch the equal sign. All I'm working with is the right side of the equation, the expression, -3 parentheses x plus 8. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to take that number that is touching the parentheses, right directly next to the parentheses, and I'm going to distribute it to both terms on the inside. -3 times x is just -3x. Remember, we just write that multiplication right next to each other. We don't need a dot or an x or anything else to show it. -3 times 8 is -24. If you want to write plus negative there, that's absolutely okay. I'm just all about kind of keeping it short and sweet. At this point, we have that two-step, that familiar equation where we're going to try and isolate the variable. This is the point where I go ahead and draw that line down the middle since I'm done simplifying. And now I'm going to try and solve. I'm going to zero out this -24 with a plus 24. I'm going to add 24. -9 plus 24 is 15. Doing that math in my head on camera, a little stressful, I'm not gonna lie. And we end up with -3x on the right side. Since the point where we need to isolate that variable, again, we got rid of the 24, now we have that -3. Since the -3 is being multiplied by the x, I'm gonna divide both sides by -3. And so -5 equals x. If you need a calculator for the add, subtract, multiply, or divide portion of these problems, please, no shame, use it, get the problem right.